Hey everyone, welcome to Amazing Gadget Finds Day 2. So today, I'm going to show you this amazing gadget that can take your video capturing skills to a whole new level. So this box that you're seeing right now has a dolly inside from NEEWER, and it has so much potential that it can replace your motorized sliders in just a minute. So this neat and sturdy looking box with the handle can be very useful to carry the dolly around. So it is also useful to every videography professional to carry the dolly around to any location. So let's just unbox it to see what's inside in the box, shall we? So this is the zipper that needs to be unzipped to see what's inside in it. So once you open the box, you'll get to see this manual. So this manual that you are seeing right now has all the instructions and features covered about the dolly, like how to control it, its highlights, etc. And moving on, you'll get this ball head mount inside the box with NEEWER branding. This can be used to mount your smartphones, DSLR, action cameras, etc. But looking at it right now, I think this is not sturdy enough to carry a DSLR level camera. I think it can support smartphones and action cameras well. Thank God I already have another ball head mount which I bought from Amazon. Just look at the difference between these two. I think this is a lot more bulky than this, which means this can support DSLRs well. So in my opinion, if you are planning to buy this dolly for a DSLR level camera, it's best to buy a ball head like this. And moving on, we can see the action camera mount inside. And this can be used to mount action cameras like DJIs, GoPros, Insta360 Ultra, etc. After that, you'll get to see the mobile phone mount. This can be used to mount your smartphones. I think this wheel right here can be used to fasten up the glass around it, and it has generous amount of padding on it, which comes really helpful to hold your smartphones. So moving on, you'll get to see another manual. I think this has some basic instructions given in different languages. Putting that aside, you'll get to see the charging cable. So this charging cable that you're seeing right now is a Type A to Type C cable, and it is used to power up the dolly. Speaking about charging the dolly, this is the battery that you are going to get inside the box. So this is a 4000 mAh NPF battery, which means it can last longer and can charge faster as well. According to the information given in the website, this can last up to 4 hours on a single charge. More about that will be covered in an in-depth video which I am going to post very soon. So stay tuned. So after uncovering all those accessories, you will see the dolly itself placed neatly around this foam. The dolly looks and feels absolutely high quality, and yeah, it is actually heavy. This weighs around 1.7 kg, around 3.7 pounds. And in here you can see the LED, charging port and a socket to capture time-lapse. By the way, the cable is not given in the box. It has to be purchased separately. This dolly can do straight-up shots, panoramic shots and other slow-motion shots easily. Apart from that, it also has a cool new feature where you can bend this dolly like this to get a 360 degrees revolving shot. I mean, how cool is that? This certainly can replace a slider easily. As you can see, this can do constant speed and slow-motion shots easily. These wheels are all made up of rubber that is fully non-slip, which makes this dolly to go incline as well. These wheels on the back produce the power, and the other wheel supports the dolly to move forward and backward. So that's it for now. I will use this dolly and post my honest opinion on this very soon. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you can't miss it.